Welcome back to the Baby Cubby. Today we're going to be talking about the Owlet monitor and smart sock. This product actually allows you to track your baby's heart rate and oxygen levels, all while streaming video and audio to your phone. When you purchase the Owlet sock, it's going to come with two different sizes of socks, the base station, charging cords, as well as exclusive access to the Owlet app. When you purchase the video monitor, it comes with the actual monitor, a magnetic base. It comes with a wall mounting kit as well as cable guards. To use the Owlet, you'll wrap this cozy little sock around baby's foot before bedtime or nap time. It's going to track their heart rate and oxygen levels and send through Bluetooth technology to this base. The base is going to glow a soft green when everything is fine. If baby's heart rate or oxygen levels fall outside of the preset zones, the base is going to blink red. It's going to play a soft little song, and it's going to notify you on your phone that it's time to check on your baby. Using the Owlet app, you can actually track your baby's live statistics from anywhere. Work, traveling, you name it. The Owlet app actually tracks your baby's sleep history, which is awesome from a data perspective. When using the video monitor, you can see the video and audio from anywhere in the world right from your phone. When baby wakes up, you can just remove the sock, place it on top of the base station, and it's going to be charging for next time. Personally, I've loved using the Owlet Smart Sock. As a new mom, it gave me so much peace of mind when I woke up in the middle of the night, and just to see that soft green light, it just helped me know that everything was okay and that I could get the much needed sleep that I needed. Thanks so much for watching. You can shop the Owlet products or any other products you see in our videos at babycubby.com. To see the Owlet in action, click on this video here. And as always, please like and subscribe and let us know if you'd like to see anything else in the comments below. See you next time.